Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. In this short video, I will show you how to build a powerful trading strategy with the Hypertrend indicator to detect trade opportunities in the market. The Hypertrend indicator aims to provide a real-time estimate of an underlying linear trend in the price chart of an asset. Support and resistance extremities are constructed from this estimate, which can provide trade opportunities within the overall trend. Most tools that return lines on a chart are either subject to back painting or repainting. We aim to provide a reliable real-time method to estimate linear trends in the price, enhancing traders' decision-making processes when it comes to trading trends in price. Hence the term Hypertrend. To apply this indicator on the trading chart, search the keyword Hypertrend and select the Hypertrend Lux Algo by Lux Algo on the TradingView Indicator Community Scripts folder. Here is the trading indicator. Before I proceed to educate you about how this trading indicator works, I need to highlight this indicator and its purpose so you can quickly understand how it works. To do this, we need to right-click on the indicator and navigate to the Settings option. Here are the parameter settings of this indicator. It's advisable to leave the default settings. Under the input settings, there is the multiplicative factor. This controls the allowed degree of deviation of the price from the average line. Higher values will return less frequent new channels. Using a higher multiplicative factor, value will return less frequent new channels, and is suitable to analyze longer-term trends. Next is the slope. This controls the steepness of the returned lines. Higher values will return flatter results. The slope settings allow us to control the slope of the return channels, with higher values returning flatter results. Next is the width percent. The width percentage of the channel lower results will return narrower channels. Under the style, there is the average color. Traders can modify this color parameter settings. Next is the area. Traders can switch between gradient and solid. Next is the upper area and lower area. These colors can also be modified to suit traders' preferences. Users can use the Hypertrend to quickly determine the trend direction in the price, with an average sloping upward indicating an uptrend, and an average sloping downward indicating a downtrend. The channel's upper extremity can act as a resistance, while the lower extremity can act as a support. Contact with candle wicks can signal timely reversals retracements. The channel average can return an estimate of the current trend in the price. The chart below shows an interval where a linear regression is displayed alongside the channel average. Unlike linear regression, the average does not have any look-ahead bias. This of course comes at the price of accuracy in most cases. Users can also use this average as a support or resistance. The breakout of a TC average that has been tested multiple times can be considered more significant in suggesting a trend reversal. How does the Hypertrend indicator work in the market? The primary purpose of this indicator is to provide potential dynamic support and resistance levels in a channel on the price chart. This is a very powerful tool for all technical analysis traders using trend lines, channels, support, and resistance in their trading strategy. When the price reaches one of the upper-lower areas of the Hypertrend indicator, we can expect the price to reverse. The upper area by default is usually painted with red color as resistance, while the lower area is painted with teal color as support. In a bullish trend, the average line is painted in a teal color, while in a bearish trend, the average line is painted in a red color. If the price exits the upper red shaded area, new areas are plotted and repainted in red color. And if the price exits the lower teal shaded area, new areas are plotted and repainted in teal color. Users can easily estimate trend directions by looking at the average color of the Hypertrend indicator, which represents the average value between the upper and lower area of the Hypertrend channel. If this average line color is teal, then it signifies the price increases, which means the price is uptrending. If the price proceeds to break lower and close below the average line teal color, then it will usually result in the price making a bearish swing to test the lower teal area of the channel. And if the average line color is red, then it signifies the price decreases, which means the price is downtrending. If the price proceeds to break higher and close above the average line red color, then it will usually result in the price making a bullish swing to test the upper red area of the channel. How can traders use the Hypertrend indicator in a bullish market? To use the Hypertrend indicator in a bullish market, traders need to watch out for a trending bullish market. In a bullish market, the price needs to carve higher highs and higher low-priced swings as the examples on this price chart. Next, traders need to watch out for trade opportunities at the support average rising horizontal teal line structure in a strong bullish price chart. While in a normal bullish trend with no aggressive bullish movement, traders need to watch out for trade opportunities at the support lower area teal-colored structure in the bullish rally. The average horizontal line is the midpoint value between the upper band resistance and lower band support area. Traders should be careful trading at the mid-average line if the uptrend has no strong bullish momentum. This level is usually good for trailing profit in a fast-moving bullish trend or for scaling up an existing buy position. Also, it is important to combine a powerful price action candlestick with the test of the average line support structure in the uptrend before executing buying position. As the trend gets closer to the upper area red resistance structure, traders should be planning to exit their buying position. For swing traders in an uptrend, they can decide to trail profit to the lower area of the test of the lower band. How can traders use the Hypertrend indicator in a bearish market? To use the Hypertrend indicator in a bearish market, traders need to watch out for a trending bearish market. In a bearish market, the price needs to carve lower lows and lower highs priced swings as the examples on this price chart. Next, traders need to watch out for trade opportunities at the resistance average descending horizontal red line structure on a strong bearish price chart. While in a normal bearish trend with no aggressive bearish movement, traders need to watch out for trade opportunities at the resistance upper area red-colored structure in the bearish rally. Traders should be careful trading at the mid-average line if the downtrend has no strong bearish momentum. This level is usually good for trailing profit in a fast-moving bearish trend or for scaling up an existing sell position. Also, it is important to combine a powerful price action candlestick with the test of the average line support structure in the downtrend before executing the selling position. As the trend gets closer to the lower area teal support structure, traders should be planning to exit their selling position. For swing traders in a downtrend, they can decide to trail profit to the upper area of the test of the upper band. This is an effective and powerful technical indicator for trend following that price action traders and beginners can use to build a profitable trading strategy in the financial market.